Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, go to the search bar and simply type here sys.cpl and click on this from the search results. So once we are here, it will open the sound properties. You can simply right click on the particular device and select disable and try to enable it again, and after that select it, go to properties, and this is very important. You can select levels tab, make sure you have to set this up to the 100%. Then from the enhancement, please check this option that will disable all enhancements. So click on apply and then OK, and in the advanced section you can try these formats and click on test. You can test these qualities, and that's it guys. You need to close this window, click on OK, and simply right click here, select settings, and then from here select system, scroll down, search for troubleshoot, then go for other troubleshooters, and from here you will find out the playing audio, and you can simply click on run from the audio, and this will try to fix the issue. And once done, you need to just close all windows one by one and restart the system. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively, so you can check out it. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.